Hi there, I'm Tomas Michaud. In this video, Basic Guitar Chords for Beginners, I'm going to show you 3 of the most popular guitar chords, and they're the most popular because they're the most useful and the easiest for beginners to learn. So this is a series, this is video number 1, and we'll start off with a D chord. Let's get going. Okay, the D chord. Take a look at my fingers. It's a 3-finger chord. You're going to have your first finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd string. The 2nd finger on the 1st string, that's the 2nd fret also. And then in between those, the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. You're going to aim for 4 notes, the top 4 notes. The top string, by the way, is the one closest to the floor. And also, make sure that your fingers are going up and then down. You're going to get better connection with the notes. Okay, next, A7. Now keep your fingers on the D chord and move everything over to the A7 chord. The first finger's on that 4th string, 2nd fret. Your 2nd finger is now on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. The 3rd finger comes off. The string in between the 2 fingers is open now. You're going to hit the 5th string as well, A7. It looks a lot like the D. You just move the first 2 fingers over a string and take off the 3rd finger. That's your A7. Now for the G chord. For this video, we're going to use a simple G chord. It's not the only G chord. A single finger G. That's your 1st string, 3rd fret, 3rd finger. And aim for 4 strings. Accidentally hit another string, don't worry too much. That'll be G for this video. By the way, a more complex G, if you've been playing for a while, is a 3-finger G like this. It's okay though, if you're starting out, I really encourage you to start with a single finger G. You can always add over a string later. Add a finger. Okay? So let's try it. D. Move the first 2 fingers over to A7. And now to G, your 3rd finger. Let's do a simple exercise to practice changing from one chord to the other. I'll call out the chords and you play along. Start with D 2 times. Go over to A7 2 times. Back to D. And then G 2 times. Repeat that. Let's do it. Ready, go. D, A7, D, G, back to D, strumming straight down, A7, either a thumb or pick, doesn't matter, D, G, and on D. Good work. That's it for this video. There'll be more chords in the next video, so keep coming back. I look forward to seeing you again. Bye for now. Okay, go ahead and put your fingers on the D chord. Oops, I mean that D chord. D. Do as I say, not as I do. D. Yeah. Cut. Cut.